at the town park with Dynam Pitts 12. Awesome plane. We got some little ones we're going to fly too, but we're going to fly the big one first. So not much wind to speak of. Just going to blast around the park here a bit. Always check your controls. There we go. Oh, sorry about the sun. Ooh, I need to walk away from those other planes so I don't step on them. Not over the houses, we're still well over the park. She'll go up forever, I think. That spin. Just coasting, gliding, sorry. Landing's gonna be a sucker. Just gotta land from over that way. I think I might land with the wind this time. Here goes the lung. Oh, it's almost Christmas. Should mention that. Hope everybody has a good Christmas. That thing sounds awesome. This thing's a blast to fly. It's becoming one of the go-to planes. But he kept that going, but the sun was in the way. High speed pass. Up. Over the sun. Actually, I think the wind's changed. It's coming from my back now. Oh, my side. Right side. So, I'll bring it around this way. Oh, caught the ice. Bummer. Pulled the gear out. Hi, bae. At least that's an easy fix. My hands are cold. Let's take a look. Yeah, I just pulled the gear right out. Let's see. Yeah. Pull the screws out. I don't lose the screws. And that piece. Oh, sorry. And that piece. Alright. That was guess it caught to that ice, pulled it up. All right, that's the Dynam Pitts Python 12. First crash, I guess. All right, ciao for now.